the blame. With each sigh I slowly fall away. You are there when I need you. Sew me up when I bleed through the endless gulf of lies surrounding me. Everything that I am, you have given me. Lessons that I learned are bringing me home. It's everything that I need. It's all the truth that I believe. Right where I need to be. Just bring me home. I hide in darkness, blind to sense. Chasing a dream with false pretense. Help me find the fracture in this dark sky. Everything that I believe slowly overtaking me. I'm just trying to find my way back home. Everything that I am, you have given me. Lessons that I learned are bringing me home. It's everything that I need. It's all the truth that I believe. Right where I need to be. Just bring me home. In these days of haunting me. Open eyes and I can't sleep. I need this now. Rescue me. Just bring me home. Can't bring me down 'cause I'm going home. Can't bring me down 'cause I'm going home. Can't bring me down 'cause I'm going home. You can't bring me down 'cause I'm going home. It's everything that I need. It's all the truth that I believe. Right where I need to be. Just bring me home. In these days of haunting me. Open eyes and I can't see. I need this now. Rescue me. Just bring me home.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me.
You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah,
Well, Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time.
that's good. So, who does he rely on for protection?
Come on. Sing me a song.
Breaking rocks in the hot sun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I needed money 'cause I had none. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and it feels so bad. Guess my race is run.
Everybody I know has to place in Central these days. People can't recognize it. Indiana's has lots of connections. Really fun. Or maybe it's time for you. I could do pottery. Everybody uses pot for something. That's important, right?
Wow, you're actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I'd talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there.
Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
諗都係㗎啦。Now maybe it's for a new career. I could do pottery. Everybody uses pot for something. That's important, right?
Bye, Wei.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny!
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should
He
leave.
wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know, and I'll take care of it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Get out of the club now!
Benny, get the fuck out of here! Benny, I know you're in there!
Wrong move! 仆街!
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.
You're late.
Conroy's still watching me. He's got a real hard on.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? Fuck, Raymond, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my fucking reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wayne. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
Fuck you. I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wayne, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're fucking concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wayne, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Yeah, we're done.